Hey students, this is Mr. Miller, getting you prepared for the next few weeks actually, working through Tinker Coding, and that'll be through week 2. We're going to do an introduction, talk to you a little bit about what is involved with week 2, and then week 3 and week 4. So let's go ahead and just kind of get you started. So you're actually going to start going to watch an instructional video for actually lessons 1 and 2. And I really think this is going to provide you a really good foundation on how to start it. So you're probably thinking, Tinker, what's that? What does that look like? Okay, well, great question, because this is what we're going to do. Is I'm going to pull it up here for you, and we're going to go ahead and click on this first button, click to watch interactive video. I'm going to click on it once. Each one of these activity areas at the very, very bottom, if you just take your mouse and you scroll to the bottom, you will find what says Coding for Kids in www.tinker.com. So just go ahead, like I can show you here in the screen, is just go ahead and click on that one link, and then it's going to say, oh, hey, how do you want to get in? And for you, it'd be really easy, because I will already have your name associated with the software, which automatically will open up straight to where you'll need to be. As a teacher, I've taken a couple extra steps, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to click on Google. Google works with everything. I really like Google. I hope you do too, because many of your assignments will be sent directly through that Google link and synced up. So let's take a look. So let's click on this. Okay. And it brings us right here to Tinker 1, or Intro to Tinker Lesson 1. So as you can see right here, we've got an introduction video. So there are several, including several blocks that you're going to be using in the first lesson, and then some of the new vocabulary, as you can see here. So you'll actually you'll need to know forward moves to help move the actor forward, as you can see here. You'll see fly up, makes your actor move up on the screen. Repeat is a loop, and inside the section, so you go ahead and give a number. Do you see where it's going to allow you to give a number? A specific times that you want the code a specific number of times that you'll want the code to repeat within the block. So that's what that is. And then also to repeat, if the block, if the condition is within this block is true, then the code inside will then go ahead and run it. And then you'll see that there's another code here where it says, well, let's take a look here, eat, and makes the actor actually eat objects. And then blast right here makes the actor destroy the objects. And then going down makes the actor move down the screen. And then turn around makes the actor in the opposite direction from where they're currently in, and repeat until right here, repeat until, makes the actor repeat whenever code is in between here. However, as many times as it really takes until a value becomes true or false. So you could, so you can say repeat until food eaten equals 3 or something greater than or less than. If you if you can understand that, it's going to be a little better once you get going with it. But so let's go down here. So there's a vocabulary. Okay, so let's take a look. In this lesson, you're going to use blocks to repeat the moving dragon until it reaches a specific point, which is the treasure. And so let's click on that. Let's find where that is. So fly up. I think this is it. Let's double click on it. That should bring you right to it. Okay, and then we have the guy that's kind of hanging out, trying to think. All right, so right away here, we got some music in the background, and then we have the dragon, right? And then we have the treasure up there. So just by looking up here, you can actually see what you'll need to do in order to make that work. So, so based on this, if you just click anywhere on the screen, that's going to get us started. You see here it says fly up. The fly up block will make the dragon fly straight up. It will only stop when it sees an object. Okay, all right, that's cool. So we're going to use a fly up. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So here we got the unstart, and let's go forward and see what happens. So there's a play button in the lower right hand corner. Click on it once, and that's going to get us right to the first point, in which you're going to have to make them fly up. Now it's going to say oops because we didn't completely reach the treasure. So it's always going to do that if we haven't completely reached the treasure. So let's go ahead and X out of that, and let's go ahead and add the fly up and see what it does. Let's hit play. I just need to reach the treasure. That's all I need to do. Oh, it says oops. Don't give up just because it says oops. It says try using. So this is a really cool thing here, is that it gives you some helpful hints on what to do next. So try using the combination of fly up and forward blocks to go ahead and help you navigate the path to the treasure. I'm like, okay, I get it. So let me X out of that. Let's try this. So we've got forward, fly up, and let's do forward again. I think that should get us there. So let's go ahead and hit play one more time. Up, coin and treasure. Is that it? Yes! Okay. So right away it will tell you if you were successful. And then from there you'll go ahead and hit the next lesson. Right away, go ahead and just keep giving it a try. It will never fail you necessarily. You may feel like failing yourself, but the game itself won't do that. And so this is really to get you familiar with the coding blocks that we are going to be learning within Tinker. So go ahead and let's give this a try and start with the videos at the very beginning, and then those are going to help you learn code and build some pretty awesome games. So what I probably will do is I'll go ahead and submit this recording, and then I'll talk a little bit about the first couple videos, introduce those to you as well, tell you what the purpose of those are. So hey, listen, good luck. You got this.